Hi, it's Roberto Mickey with your COVID-19 update for Miami-Dade County on October 26, 2020. As most of you remember, back on September 26th, the state reopened and dropped all restrictions. And around October 2nd, the city of Miami and Miami-Dade decided to stop enforcing the curfew. This graph tells the story of Miami-Dade County as far as the number of admitted patients. And what you can see is that on September 26th, with the state reopening, we stayed relatively flat. But Miami-Dade County stopped enforcing its curfew right around October 2nd. And about 2 to 3 weeks after that curfew was lifted, essentially in Miami-Dade, we see a spike in the number of admitted patients. I think the data here very clearly demonstrates that the third wave is here, and Miami has an opportunity here to close the economy slightly and stop this from becoming an exponential growth. Unfortunately, I think that due to the current political situation, I don't think there's going to be the will nor the want to implement these kind of drastic changes. So everyone in Miami, please wear your mask and take the necessary precautions to protect yourself. Florida reported 20 new deaths with 16,652 deaths since the start of the pandemic. Florida reported 3,377 new cases, with Miami-Dade County accounting for 586 of those cases. The percentage of positive tests did slightly go above 5.5% with 5.76%. Once again, these numbers need to be taken with a grain of salt, according to this Sun Sentinel article. New admissions to the hospital were 42, and discharges were outpaced by admissions 42 to 27. Ventilators are still readily available with 574. This is the MiamiDade.gov website giving information on the data from Miami-Dade County. And this is the Broward County website giving similar data. And this is the Washington Post website with some of the graphs that we used. Everyone out there, stay safe, wear a mask, and if you like this video, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and help out the channel. Thanks a lot.